Okay, so guys, we got the Meta Ray-Ban glasses. $299. Like, that's so expensive. And by the way, I already opened this up. Act like it's brand new, act like it's brand new. So we got Ray-Ban right here. And then we have Meta right here. So next we are gonna open it. But first let's check the front. It says right here. Listen. This one. Call Lifestyle. Wayfair. Looks pretty cool, right? This is so cool, like this angle. Look at this angle, like. It looks like it's like perfect. Except the little thing in the corner. This thing, it's kind of pretty annoying. So I think it's not there. I'm back. What does it say? Wayfair also. Okay, so guys, it's time to open this bad boy up. Okay, so right here, it says Wayfair again, so it's time to open it. Why is it, oh my god? It says listen. It says listen. Call and live stream. Like perfect right there. Listen, call, live stream. Okay. Let's open it up, okay guys. I'm gonna have to blur something out inside cause I wrote something there and it's... I really don't want you guys to know, but it's an email, it's for my account on this. So I just really don't want you to look. So I might cut it out, and just when it's open, I'm just gonna let it right there. Okay, so guys, we're done with this, we opened it. So now it's time to get the glasses. I really need to be careful with this. I need to be careful not to mess up the thing. Cause I'ma blur it out, or I need to blur that. Okay, so I need to move it very slowly. Okay, that angle's perfect. You can't see the email. Okay, we got the glasses, so that right keeps it. These are beautiful. They are beautiful, like crazy beautiful. What's this? What's this? What is? There's a charging port. Perfect charging port. Well, I don't know what that is. Let's just click it. So it's like a sign. What about this? What? It's a light, damn. That is so cool. Okay. Sorry guys, I already knew about that. So now let's open it up. Those are the beauties. Those are the beauties straight up inside. Let's take them out. Goddamn, this is beautiful. The cameras, bro, the cameras. Like, I don't wanna open. Whom can you read that? The hell? I don't even know what that means. Oh my god, wait. I remember watching like an ad about it. And then this is right here. I remember watching an ad. Oh wait. That's not it. So it was right there, okay. Let me focus it. And then I think it's focused. Yes. I need to zoom in on that, bro. Zoom in on that beauty logo. That logo is beautiful, bro. That logo is beautiful. I wanna take a picture, bro. Okay. So like, and then there's like another just like their logo right there. They got their logo printed on this. That is very cool. This is like a slide like wait, let me zoom out right over there. Okay, let me focus it. This thing right here. This thing right here, I think it is like a slide button. I actually tested it out before. And when you slide it to the side, it's like a red button, but this is for the force restart and like a connection thing. It shows me on the app. Guys, this is another thing right there. Okay, so now this is. I'm gonna give you guys a view. Oh wait, and then I know that there's a flashing light right there. Try to keep my battery 100%. Oh my god, that was Meta, bro. That was Meta, bro. Don't get mad at me for that. Wait, let me do it again. Say it. Say it. Okay guys, I'ma put this at full volume so you can hear it. I'ma take it, I'ma put them on me, and I'll put at full volume so you can hear it. To save up to $1 per gallon at the pump. I forgot that I left my Spotify on. So it's on, let's take a photo. I guess. Upside down. Ready to take a photo. Took a photo. Can I talk to Meadow? Hey Meadow. Let me put them on, let me put in your speaker so y'all can hear it. Let me put it Let me put it in there, let me put this here as like little thing. Hey Meta. What time is it? It's 6:48 p.m. Okay, so guys, that actually did help. What should we ask her? Maybe we should ask her like, equations. I don't know what we can ask her. This is hard to decide. Maybe we can ask you like a super hard question. Hey Meta. What is 40 divided by 102? That's about 0.39. Oh my god. No way she just solved that. She's a faker, bro. This woman, bro, she can do anything. Like literally I asked her a question that doesn't even really exist. Like not in a possible equation. And then this woman just answers it like nothing. She like doesn't even care, bro. She just says it like for seconds. Hey Meta. What is 102 divided by 1? That's 102. Oh, I'm dumb. I said 1, so you just gotta count to 102. The same answer. I am very dumb. Okay, so let's ask her that same question, but with a harder. Hey Meta. What is 102 divided by 481? That's around 0.21. Okay, I don't understand that. I don't even know how she did that. Hey Meta, what's a fact fraction times 2? A fraction times 2 means you just double the numerator, or the top number. I don't even know what I just said, bro. I'm just asking a random question, and she answered it. Hey Meta. What is 482 plus 600,842 plus 9,892? That's 611,716. Are you a faker, or what? Just giving you the correct answer. Oh my god, this woman knows everything. Hey damn bro, she knows everything. Okay, I don't even know how to describe this. Hey Meadow. What time is it? It's 6:51 p.m. It's 6:51 bro. Hey Mita. Hey Mita, what am I looking at? You're looking at a phone on a tripod set up on a desk with some books, a water bottle, and a small plant in the background. How did she see that? Hey Mita. Did you know my phone is actually recording? No, I don't have access to your phone's recording status. Oh God. I didn't say that she needed access to the status. Okay, anyways. Hey Mita. How many books are in front of me? I can see 4 books lined up on the desk in front of you. I don't have 4 books. I see 3 books lined up on the desk. Maybe I miscounted earlier. No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 books. Got it, I see 3 books lined up on the desk. If you're saying you have more, maybe they're out of view. Are you dumb or what? There's 6. Who got it? I see 6 books lined up there. My bad for the earlier mix-up. Put the volume up. Bro. She does not know how to put the volume up herself. I'm literally using the one I'm using the touchpad. Okay. Okay, that's done. Hey Mita. What am I looking at? You're looking at a cozy room corner with a red bike leaning against the wall, a tall floor lamp, a speaker, and some bags on the floor. There's also a small decorative piece on a table. What decorative piece? I don't have a decorative piece. Let me know what you mean. Oh, it's my planet thing. I see a small decorative bottle on the left table. It's a planet pink piece with orbiting spheres. Well, she's smart. Anyways, so guys, I guess that's it. Bye guys. I'll give you a quick view of the Mita glasses real quick. Okay, well, that's it guys, bye.